observed that during rainy season, many parts of our city get flooded due to heavy raining within few hours. Though the annual rainfall has not decreased, but due to climate change, a weak rainfall happens within few hours. So to meet up this challenge, our government has came up with new ideas like building dams, example Pinjal Dam, which is very costly and non-effective. So this is every building has a tank which is divided into two parts, toilet water tank and the potable water tank. Whenever it rains, the rain sensor senses it and the and gives the command to the servo motor. Then the servo motor opens the lid and the rainwater is collected in the tank and it can be used in the toilet flushes. And the BMC water can be stored for long time. And if the water overflows, then it goes from the overflow pipe to the percolation tank and even the bore wells. If still the water remains, then it can be used for water reservoirs and the rural areas. And it can be used for the car washing as well. And there are so many advantages of this project, like reduces the flooding. Whenever it rains, it collects the water. The storm water rainfall reduces the amount of land water runoff. This will reduce the flooding in the urban and the low-lying areas. This will also decrease the amount of debris in the waterways. Even combats the soil erosion. It will increase the amount of soil erosion which is caused due to heavy raining. Recharges the groundwater. It is an effective way to replenish the groundwater by directing the rainwater back into the ground. Then decreases the runoff pollution. The pollutants carried in the rainwater will be decreases like pesticides and fertilizers. Then economic advantages. Lowers the water bill. As the harvested water can be used at so many places, rural areas, water reservoirs and car washing, it will automatically reduce the water bills. Conserve the energy. The energy used to pump the water will also be reduced and energy can be saved. And it is cost effective. This method is relatively simple and it is cost effective. It promotes the self-efficiency. The reliable and the independent areas, especially where the unreliable municipal and the unindependent things are there. Thank you.